Welcome to this LightingSupply.com product detail video. This Satco bulb can be used to replace a 400-watt metal halide bulb. It produces 9,000 lumens. This bulb is not dimmable. This bulb has a color temperature of 5,000 Kelvin or daylight. It has an average life of 25,000 hours. Direct wiring is only approved for 100 volts through 277 volts, and the ballast must be removed from the fixture. This product has industrial and commercial applications, making it perfect when retrofitting a high bay fixture. It is damp location rated, but is not intended for use in enclosed fixtures. You can buy this Satco bulb and thousands of other products at LightingSupply.com.